Okay, guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 17th in creative writing. Today we talked about first person narration. We're in Portfolio 2, so we started class with one of the journal prompts. We wrote about our morning routine today. And then after that, we worked through first person. I started by reading a couple stories to you guys and with you guys. One of them was titled 1109 out of the Looking Glass from a few years ago. The other one was The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe, which is located here. We talked through first person considerations, just things you want to keep in mind regarding first person, benefits, drawbacks, and just some things to think through. And then we walked through the short story assignment here, which is either a first person or third person piece you'll be creating in the next couple weeks, or the next week and a half, really is a better way to say that. At the end of class, we read through one more first person example that was out of the Looking Glass. But again, you're looking to, in the next week and a half, write either a first person or a third person short story here. One piece, 1,000 to 1,500 words, using either point of view, and that'll be due, I think it's Monday the 28th that we said that was going to be due. Sorry you missed us today. Hope you had a great afternoon.